They will have their own concept of God. So it will be different. Okay, so many. Okay, many are there. A pluralistic view is there. So what happens? There is a lot of diversity. Diversity means what? Different views. हर एक के अलग नजरिया. I hope everybody understands Urdu. So in case they don't understand English, they can understand what I'm telling in Hindi or Urdu. So what happens? अपना. So what happens? He found a distinction between the state and the government. He said, here ends state, here ends government. These two are different things. Again, okay. State is what? State is made up of you. Government is formed by you. Of the people, by the people, for the people. You are getting the concept now, no? Sania, you are getting the concept? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. He proposed democracy and opposed indirect democracy. Democracy means क्या? Democracy means आप लोग ही गवर्नमेंट को सेलेक्ट करते हैं, इलेक्ट करते हैं. जो आपको चाहिए वो वहां सिस्टम में बैठे हैं. Okay, who you wanted, you voted for them. Okay, that once you did not vote for the party, you think you did not vote for the party, still they have to serve your purpose. It does not mean just because you did not vote, they are not going to help you, or they are not going to serve you. Their job is primarily to serve you. That is why they are coming and sitting in the system. आप समझे क्या? चाहे आप उनको वोट डालें या ना डालें, या आपके अगेंस्ट पार्टी हैं, उनका कर्तव्य यही है, उनका काम यही है कि वो आपको आके काम करके दें आपका काम. That's all is their job. That is not the discretion. You are coming from some other state, I will not help you. That is no way going to happen. That is why it is a democracy. Okay. The concept of general will become more the forerunner of modern idealism. माने आज के आइडियलिज्म कॉन्सेप्ट, जो आज आइडियल्स कॉन्सेप्ट्स का यूज कर रहे हैं, उस दौर में यही फ्रंट रनर था. ये एक एग्जांपल सेट किया दूसरों के लिए. This set as an example to everybody. They said, yes, this is going to be acceptable by all. This can be accepted by all. Means why? It is going to help people at the same time. Okay. Madam, everybody is going in the same bus. From here, everybody has to travel, for example, here to Hosur. Everybody is traveling in the same bus. Everybody is traveling in the same train. Nobody is asking whether I'm from Karnataka or not. I have to travel, I'm traveling at that particular point of time. Okay. So what happens? Everybody reaches the target or their goal at the same time. Okay. So everybody is almost assured that they're going to reach at the same time. Excuse me. And then Rousseau gave the concept of will and not force is the creation of the state. Will. What was the idea of force theory? Force is the creation of the state. That was where war was fought. Man killed every man. What? Kill whom you can, take what you can. That is what is written in Hobbes also. That was the era wherein there was a lot of wars. Okay. Primarily, you can think that was the development of today, what the structure is. Okay. That was the beginning. See what happens. You will accept a system as long as it is good for you. The moment you think this system is becoming bad, जब आप समझने लगते हैं कि ये सिस्टम मुझे अच्छा नहीं है, ये सिस्टम से मुझे फायदा नहीं है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? रिवोल्ट शुरू करेंगे. रिवोल्ट मीन्स व्हाट हैपेंस? अर्लियर रिवोल्ट्स यूज्ड टू हैपन डायरेक्टली, ओपन. जैसे अभी वो दिल्ली में चल रहा है, दिल्ली, हरियाणा, पंजाब, where the farmers are getting into direct confrontation with police, amna samna. So those days what used to happen is they used to revolt against the king. Many people used to gather, they used to fight the king. Okay. रेवोल्यूशन होता था. सो रेवोल्यूशन होने से क्या होता था? लॉट ऑफ ब्लडशेड होता था, बहुत सारे इनोसेंट पीपल मर जाते थे. सो दिस यूज्ड टू हैपन. Okay, that is the revolution. Later on, revolutions never happened with blood. Later on, revolutions happened with what? They started reading in writing form. And It used to go on. The agitation used to go on. People used to fight for their rights. So the king used to put the pressure, and there was a lot of tussle. Okay, it was not as easy as I'm telling. इतना आसान नहीं है जितना मैं बोल रहा हूँ. So those, if the king accepted it, okay. But if the king never accepted it, what is happening? Again, another revolt. So इस तरह होता था. So system क्या होता था? System will never become settled. माने क्या, यहाँ पर पीस एंड ट्रैंक्विलिटी का माहौल नहीं है. So what used to happen? आपकी मांगे नहीं मांगी गई, अगेन आप लड़ेंगे, अगेन आप जाएंगे. Okay, unrest was there, political unrest was there, social unrest was there. So what will happen? The development will not grow, hindering. It will development means आगे आप नहीं बढ़ेंगे. क्या हो रहा था? आपकी मांगे नहीं मानी जा रही थी, आप लड़ रहे थे, आपकी लड़ाई का आंसर नहीं था, तो आप क्या कर रहे थे? कंटिन्यूअस. सो डू यू थिंक इन दिस काइंड ऑफ अ सिचुएशन योर माइंड इज एट रेस्ट? नो, डेवलपमेंट नहीं होता. यहाँ पर मेन चीज क्या है? डेवलपमेंट नहीं होती. जनरल विल जब तक क्या है, सबको एक्सेप्टेबल होना चाहिए. Because everything those days was not so easy as you are getting it today. Okay, remember that. आज फोन किए तो टोमेटो जोमेटो वाले सब आ जाते. वो जमाने में कुछ भी नहीं था, खाना मिलना बहुत मुश्किल था, एजुकेशन तो बहुत दूर था. एजुकेशन इज लाइक व्हाट, ओनली एलीट पीपल यूज्ड टू हैव इट. जिसके पास पैसा था, जिसके पास ताकत थी, जिसके पास मनी पावर इन्फ्लुएंस था, वही पढ़ सकते थे. हर आदमी को पढ़ने का चांस नहीं था. फ्रीडम ऑफ प्रेस नहीं था. वी कुड नॉट ओपनली स्पीक. Okay, there was no printing presses. The concept of printing presses was not there. You cannot communicate with people. Okay, today everybody has a bloody mobile. Every time they can ring the useless mobile. Anybody who you want in the what rubbish we can talk on the phone. Those days are not like that. It was very difficult. Okay, these are people in ये कौन से दौर में थे जब दुनिया का डेवलपमेंट हो रहा था. Okay, throughout. See, Europe will always have an edge. Europe को ज्यादा advantage क्यों था? One thing, they started accessing the world through the seas. One thing, they had access to the ships. Okay, might be because of their advancement, they are still ahead of us. Okay, so that is one factor why European countries are much ahead of us. Okay, the technology is more ahead of us. So शायद ज्यादा access है ज्यादा. You can take the Dutch, you can take the Portuguese, or you can take the Spanish. How it is आज भी कैसा ये जिंदा है. See, for those who don't know, I'm telling this. There are countries, okay, Spain and Portugal are in Europe. There's another continent called South America. Okay, it is quite far from Europe. These all people have traveled and have spread the language. Today, most of the people in Brazil, in Argentina, in South America, either they speak Spanish or they speak Portuguese. That is the influence of the language. Right? इतना ज्यादा फैली है language, Spanish and Portuguese, because of the control over them. आज अंग्रेजी, why are you speaking English? I am not a born English speaker. No? I am a native Kannada speaker. So how do I know English? Because of the people who traveled around the world. English spread throughout the world as a communication language. Okay, English. Similarly, French. Many people speak. Many people speak this language. Okay, so what happens? I say language buddy. Okay, so for those who don't know, the world's largest spoken language is Mandarin. Mandarin is from China. Okay, Chinese is not a language. Mandarin is the language which they speak. Okay, so Mandarin, Hindi, Bengali, highest spoken languages in the world. Okay, these are okay. Other than Spanish, Portuguese, French. Okay, many people do speak this language, even though they are not from Spain and Portugal. Okay, वो बहुत दूर है. यूरोप और साउथ अमेरिका बहुत दूर है. They travel all the way over Africa and they come there. Okay, so but majority of the people who watch football and all this, you must have seen, they either speak Spanish or Portuguese. Okay, that is their language. How it spread. And Rousseau proposed the concept of popular sovereignty. He advocated people. Popular sovereignty means क्या? आपके हुकूक के लिए, आपके राइट्स के लिए लड़ने वाली गवर्नमेंट चाहिए. That is why governments are formed. Okay, see, government is for what? To help you in achieving your goals easily. They give you scholarship. They will provide you seats. See, government quota seats are less. Payment quota is more. You must be knowing, no? Government के seats कम होते हैं. If you get in government quota means what? If you get in good merit, you will get in lesser amount. MBBS seats are so expensive in Karnataka. To go from government, non-government quota, private quota, very expensive. Same engineering also same. 2.5 lakhs or something. It was very expensive. You go to government quota, 30,000 rupees, 35,000 rupees, because your percentage is very high. Okay, your percentage is very high. It is not uh, affordable by everybody. See, MBBS course is very, very expensive. Okay, even if you get in, I think National Law School, for those who know the concept of National Law School, it's very expensive again. But if you get through government quota, the fees is relatively less. That is why they take that government quota. You know what is government quota, no? Everybody, आपकी रैंक ज्यादा है, आपके मार्क ज्यादा है, तो आपको सीट मिलने के चांसेस ज्यादा है. आपका आपका मार्क समझो आपको 97, 98, 99 मिला है. In your, if you want to do MBBS and all that, those people get 99%, 98%. Those are the guys who get into MBBS and all that. Okay, so that is how the concept of quota is there. Why he says popular sovereignty, for your rights they are fighting. Okay, for your rights they are fighting. Whatever you are asking to the government, they are, what are they doing? 920. So these people, what do they do? They are going to help you at individual level. What individual level means what? When you go and seek, the minister will not answer for you. Okay, the minister will not answer you. The department answers for you, because the minister stays there for 5 years. The department will be staying there. I hope you are understanding. There was one, what is this one movie called? There's Akshay Kumar and what is his name? Paresh Rawal were there. So he says, बिजली गई तो आप अंबानी के यहाँ नहीं जाते, आप पावर कॉर्पोरेशन के ऑफिस पे जाते हैं. Same thing. Ambani provides you power, but you don't go and ask questions to Ambani. You go and ask it to the substation which is near you, which is going to provide the electricity. As why the electricity is gone. Okay, that is the way he said. It means what? They are answerable to your questions. They need to answer because you elected them through the transferable vote of election. You voted for them. Understood? That is why it is important. Okay. Now we are going to move on to a very, very important concept. Okay. I think by afternoon I'll send the marked questions to you. Today's marked concept. We are starting a new concept. Okay, which is called as a welfare state. Anybody has an idea what welfare state is? Welfare means what? Anybody? Welfare means क्या है? Welfare क्या होता है? Anybody? What is welfare?
Society status, sir.
Society status. Okay. Welfare means what? Any idea why welfare is good for people? क्या welfare का meaning क्या है? Any idea why it is welfare? Society is good. Then what? What more than society?
Trust, sir.
Okay.
Trust.
Okay. Don't worry. We'll go through it. Okay. Again, very, very important. That is why we are doing this slowly. After this, I think after the welfare state, it will become very fast. Okay. After the concept of welfare state, it will become very fast. Okay. So by now you should have understood what the system is. See, the concept of welfare state is a very recent one. It was originally introduced by Archbishop William Temple in his book called Citizen and Clunchman in 1941. And Mr. Sidney Webb is the chief exponent of this theory. Exponent means जो पहला आदमी इसको प्रमोट किया, the first person who promoted it, Sidney Webb, studying the other things. The origin of welfare state can be traced to the Beveridge report in the 1942. It was first featuring there. It has promised adequate protection against uh, want of unemployment, illness, old age to every Briton. Means उस दौर में इंग्लैंड में ये प्रमोट किया गया, where the bishop was there, Archbishop William. So they were telling unemployment. Unemployment means क्या? काम नहीं है. They are not working. Illness, बीमार हो रहे हैं आदमी. And old age. See, after some time will become old age. So what has old age homes have been set up or not? Adequate help is given to the old citizens or not? That was the concept of Archbishop William Temple and the same person called Sidney Webb. Okay. Later on, the government, the concept of welfare state became a reality when the British Labour government, British में Labour Party बोल के है. Okay. The welfare state became a reality when the British Labour government after the Second World War. This happened during the Second Great War. Remember it as one Great War, 1 GW, Second Great War, 2 GW. Okay. The first Great War happened between 1914 to 1919. Okay. 1914 से 1918 तक हुआ. दूसरा वर्ल्ड वॉर, सेकेंड ग्रेट वॉर 1939 से 1945 में हुआ. Okay, that was the era I told you, no, बहुत सारे आदमी, many people died because of somebody's, what happened, somebody's ego and somebody's foolishness. Many people died. The measures were taken for what? The devastation after that. The British Labour Party, who was in power then after the Second World War, that is in 1945 when it ended, it implemented many economic and welfare measures such as national health services. Even today, till today, when you speak about, you go and see British, they are only going to speak about NHS, National Health Services, or the vast social insurance scheme. Okay, that was their concept. Even today, NHS is handling COVID-19 there. Okay, National Health Services, created in 1942. Okay. After the strong roots of Britain, welfare states concept spread to countries and continental countries such as, it's in Europe only, these countries which I'm telling, Sweden, Norway, Denmark. Okay. आज दुनिया में Sweden, Norway, Denmark rank among the top countries in the world. Okay. In terms of GDP, in terms of living, in terms of happiness, there is something called happiness index. One more country is there, Finland it is called. That is the most happiest country in the world. Okay. The corruption rate in Finland is 0.01. All these countries I'm telling you, 0.01, 0.02, or might below 1% corruption is there. Okay. That is the rating of the countries. Okay. The welfare states. What Mr. Cole says, definition, Mr. Cole. Welfare, COLE, not COL. Okay. Welfare state is, Cole means nam. Coal mane kolsa. Okay. The welfare state is a state in which the assured minimum standard of living and opportunity becomes a possession of every citizen. Every citizen gets a right to do and assure a minimum support income. Means it is been fixed. Okay. In countries, in European countries, it is fixed. In India, we don't have that minimum support income and all. Okay. Here there is a disparity of income. Means किसी की ज्यादा है, किसी की कम है. मगर यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में फिक्स किया जाता है. How? If there is a fixation standard there, if you work for this per hour, so much will be given. Okay, that is how they are stressing upon. Okay, but here we don't have all that. Okay, we don't have all the concept of that minimum and all that. Here, different sectors have different sorts of disparity. Disparity means farq hai. Okay, we will not get into it. Then we have Kent. A welfare state is a state that provides for its citizens a wide range of social services. Again, social services means primarily, you should think, सबसे ज़्यादा important services में hospital, old age homes, ambulances, standby ambulances, support of oxygen cylinders, all these things. Okay, this is very, very, very important. Okay, primarily इंसान जिंदा रहना चाहिए. Okay, that is the most important thing. Arthur, the welfare state is a system wherein the government agrees to underwrite certain levels of employment, education, medical aid, social security, and housing for all its citizens. It covers everything what I have told. Most important is health. Second most important is your security. Third most important is house. Roti, kapda, and makan. Who needs to take care of this? Government takes care of this. After this, what happens? Your unemployment problem, your education stuff, all this who provides? Government. Government schools, government colleges, government jobs. Who's doing all that? Government only, no? Primary healthcare centers. Housing. Yeah, housing also they should provide. India, it's not happening because it is very large country. So, but in other places it does happen. Okay, probably because we are a very populous state, it's not possible to do. But they are doing at the best at their level. Okay, so now I'm going to directly come to what it means. Okay, what it means. A welfare state. They will ask this question 100% sure in an exam. What is a welfare state? Write features of a welfare state and functions of a welfare state. Listen very carefully. Welfare state is neither a police state nor a socialist state. Police state is where you are being controlled by police. Okay. We are not a police state. India is also not a police state. Okay. Second thing is means हर चीज police control करती है. Neither we are a socialist state. Okay. बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट भी नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रिंजेंट भी नहीं. स्ट्रिंजेंट मीन बहुत ज्यादा रूल्स नहीं, इतना भी रिलैक्सेशन नहीं. It functions within the framework of a democratic political institutions. How? We have a parliament now. It's a form of, that is where our democracy starts. It is if I used to tell no, divine origin theory. King is the fountain of justice. From where he, from his crown it is flowing. Yeah, from our parliament only it flows. Okay, that is where it has to be brought into these institutions in order to bring into the material welfare to the people. Material, you have to see it. आपकी आंखों से आप देखना चाहिए. Only then what happens, you can see it. It has to come to you, no? The access should come to you. Now that medicine is going to come, it's going to have access to everybody. Okay, people who are from above 60 years and below 10 years are going to be given the first COVID vaccine shot. Okay, so that is how it is. So it allows, it is a synthesis of liberalism, or people say liberalism and socialism. Liberality means what? सोच में फ्रीनेस होना चाहिए, सोच तंग नजर नहीं होनी चाहिए. Means what? Only I'm going to help you, I'm not going to help you. And socialism, you should get mingled in socialism, a part of the society. It allows private property and regulates it to the general interest. Here even the concept of private property is there, but for the general interest. Means people who are working in NGOs, people who are philanthropists, means paisa dene wale. Okay, it believes in the principle of mixed economy. India is the best example. We have an example of both agriculture as well as industrialization. We are not a capitalistic economy like America, nor we are a very, very developed economy like European countries. Okay, why I am telling you Europeans are more advanced ones? Because our GDP per year is 2,000 or maximum $2,500. European countries, that is above 40,000 and $44,000. So how many times more than us? More than 10 times, 20 times more than us. Okay, so you can imagine that is a very different kind of economy. Okay, it upholds the rights of all without showing discrimination against any individual or group of people. No discrimination of caste, creed, sex, religion. It should not be done. That should not be done. Okay, that is a wrong concept. Promoting only certain factions, certain groups. That is a wrong concept. Okay, that is where the country goes down. Okay, helping only certain. It's called oligarchy. लॉ ऑफ ओलिगार्की, कुछ भी फायदा नहीं है ये करने से. Okay, nothing is going to benefit. Okay, most important, it regulates the economic and other activities of people in larger interests of society and does not allow a particular class to exploit the other class. What used to happen in India previously? Okay, only the certain people used to take advantage of it. Now it cannot happen. Okay, again, please remember what I'm telling is in book. In reality, all these things don't happen. Okay, in reality, that happens. People who have more money will have more access. Okay, people who are inclined with politicians will only get the access. Me and you will not get that access in reality. Okay, that is reality. But what are we studying in the book is completely different. Okay, it undertakes the responsibility of bringing about the material welfare of people. It establishes a social welfare state through democratic socialization. पोलियो का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है एवरीवेयर, ऑटो में बैठ के जा रहे हैं, सबको बोल रहे हैं, अनाउंसमेंट कर रहे हैं, घरे घर आ रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं. दैट इज अ बेटर एग्जांपल. वैक्सीनेशंस. ओके,
Excuse
बट
me, sir.
हाँ,
Sir, how it sympathize liberalism and socialism, sir?
it will come, don't get into it because it will come again in future. Liberalism and socialism definitions I'll tell you. Now just remember for welfare state, because there are very big concepts. Okay, okay, nothing to worry. I'll tell you what liberalism means and socialism means. Okay, why I am not telling you now is I'll tell you later, because in socialism we have different kinds of socialism. Okay, so first you need to understand socialism to tell other socialism. It is called actually isms, ISMS, ism, idealism, socialism, liberalism. Okay, again in socialism, Fabian socialism. Okay, because Fabian proposed different kind of socialism. Okay, so again concepts are little bit complicated. That is why I'm not telling you now. The words are easy. It regulates the production according to the needs of the society by implementing economic planning. Now the concept of 5-year plans, I'm going to tell you only about India here. 1950 we started our 5-year plans. 5 साल की योजना, पंचवार्षिक योजना, where first we concentrated, our first 5-year plan concentrated on more of agriculture. Please remember, we are agricultural, agrarian based economy. 936 हमारी economy आज भी agriculture पर depend है. Okay, and we are still dependent upon rain, my friends. बारिश नहीं आए तो हमारे पास खेती नहीं होती. If the rain does not come, our, see now it's happening, no, real time. I'm telling you, yesterday I went, tomato, what is it, potato has become 55 to 80 rupees, and our onion has become 75 rupees. Why? Because of the rains in Maharashtra, the crop is not growing. Once the crop is not growing, the demand is increasing. You got it, no? That is how our economy is dependent. Okay, we are directly dependent upon rain. We are agricultural based economy. But second plan which happened was Professor P.C. Mahanalabi's plan. Okay, the first one is called Harrod-Domar model. The second one is called P.C. Mahanalabi's model. Okay, was the father of statistics in India. Okay, Indian Statistical Institute is based on him only. So it was industrial plan. Second, वहां पर industries को ज्यादा promote किया. What does industry do to you? All the materialistic, mechanistic things, all are developed in industry. Your cars are developed in industry. Your machinery is developed in industry. Steel, how it is manufactured in industry. Okay, which was necessary for the development of your country. Okay, that is why it is very, very important. Economic planning needs to be done. Okay, economic planning needs to be done. Economic policies need to be taken into consideration. Okay, when the policies are made, because it has a direct impact on your pocket. आपके पास पैसा है, आप खरीद सकते हैं. आपके पास पैसा नहीं है तो कैसे खरीद सकते हैं? 1000 rupees का ड्रेस है, आपके पास 500 है, you can't go and buy a 1000 rupees dress because you don't have 500 rupees. The purchase power parity became less. Sorry, the purchase power parity became less. Unemployment, if you don't have jobs, what happens? Chori chakari karenge aadmi, they'll get into that. Okay, so these are the impacts of that. Okay, these are the impacts. Iska direct impact hai. Okay, why, how it functions, we'll meet on Monday. By today afternoon I will send you the other 3 which I have marked today. A welfare state exercises the essential functions such as the defense, very very important, and maintenance of internal peace, order, safety of a person and property. We were studying the concept, no, internal and external before this. I hope you remember when we started studying about sovereignty, it was internal sovereignty and external sovereignty. External sovereignty is we'll protect external aggression, means when other countries are going to attack us. Internal sovereignty is when we have to protect and there should be peace and tranquility within our state. Our state means within India. There should not be state fighting against each state and other kinds of issues which are going to have political unrest. The state goes beyond the frontiers of functions like collecting taxes and maintaining peace and order with the aim of promoting the interests of people. For roads to be built, you have, and your bridges to be built, 940 kar ko bol. So what happens? You have to pay taxes. If you don't pay taxes, we cannot build roads, we cannot build bridges. So directly I'm telling you, they'll collect this toll tax. Now when you cross Hosur, when you're going to Hosur, there's a toll there, there's a bridge there. Bridge means they have a toll, you have to pay money. It will get cut any moment now. The class, the state undertakes a very vast number of functions. It aims at promoting the general welfare of people as a whole. Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. Economic well-being, social security, public health system, education. This is the concept. Promote welfare, promote public health services, promote well-being of citizens. All the concepts are done by government because they are the sole agency. Others can't do it because it is not so easy to do it. Okay, I think we'll just discuss this because it might get cut anytime. They are common railways, bridges, post, telegraph, sanitation. Here those are from Bangalore. Bangalore water supply and sewerage boards. Okay, health, education, libraries, playgrounds, hospitals, transport services. It didn't, has it not covered everything what we spoke about? Everything. Bridge where you travel, post and telegraph which you use the services, hospitals very important, health very important, education important, library is very important, playgrounds very play, hospitals, transport services includes railways, seaways